everyone. A system of inequalities and a graph are shown. We don't have the graph. We're going to draw the graph, so it's not going to be shown. And we're going to determine which section represents the solutions to the system. And I will fill this in as well later. So we're just going to graph it first. So we have, let's just pretend we have y equals negative x. And if we do that, we know that that is this line right in here, the reciprocal function. Let me make sure I get this graphed right. So you draw the graph, and it should kind of be a diagonal here. And it's very hard to draw on this thing, but let's see if I can do it. So it's something like that. All right, I can continue on off the page. All right, but now it says that it is less than, but we're going to do that in a minute. Now this one, I'm going to first divide everything by 2. So you divide everything by 2, you have y is greater than 3/2 x plus 1. So I know my y-intercept is 1, and my slope is 3 divided by 2. So up 3 over 2. Down 3 over 2. Down 3 over 2. Down 3 over 2. Up 3 over 2. So I'm trying to get as straight a line as possible to graph this. So I'm graphing. All right. So there's your makeshift graph there. And now we're going to shade. So this said, this red line said it's greater than but not equal to. So I'm going to go through here and just delete this and make it a dashed line. So I'll do another dash. Here's another dash. There's another dash. And just make it a little better here. So you have a dashed line. And it says it's greater than. That means you're going to pick a point on the line and shade up. So I'm going to shade up here. On top of it, not below it. I'm going to shade up. And there it is. Now this one said here y is less than this number. So in this regard, we're going to shade down. It can equal it. So we already have a straight line. Let's do this color. So we already have our straight line here. That's not dashed. It's solid because it can equal it. And since it's less than, we're going to shade down. Everywhere shade down. All right. Now we're going to do our sections as they did. This is section P. This is section Q. This section is R. And this is section S. So it says which section or sections of the graph could represent all the solutions. Well, the only place that represents all the solutions is section R, because that's where you get the cross hatching going. So it's all of this in here. Okay, and then that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.